YouTube! In this video I'm going to be showing you what the difference between Do Not Disturb and Mute is on the Apple Watch. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so what is the difference between Do Not Disturb and Mute on your Apple Watch? Alright, so slide up and we can see Do Not Disturb. Alright, Do Not Disturb, it syncs with your iPhone. So if you have Do Not Disturb on your iPhone, it'll also be on your watch, and you will not receive any notifications at all. Alright, now Mute, which is this little button right here, it is like the little side button on your iPhone, and all it does is it mutes the sound of all incoming notifications. So you'll still get your little tap, and you'll still be able to see your notifications, but you will not get any notification sound. So yeah, if you learned something if you didn't dislike, comment and tell me what you think. Bye.